This is the impossible to find Toyota Sienna all-wheel drive. Hi everybody, Carter Heiser, owner of Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, autoramaauto.com. Let me walk you around this 2017 Toyota Sienna XLE all-wheel drive. Local owner, I bought it from the original owner. They lived here, bought it brand new in Dickinson here. Moonroof, it's gray mica with the ash seats, leather heated, quads, fold down third row, moonroof, big touchscreen, power doors, 3.5 liter V6. It comes with a balance of factory warranty on it. It's been independently inspected. Clear Carfax. Remember, we're the dealership without the outrageous hidden fees. Again, it's all-wheel drive. Where do you find them? You just don't. Only 50,000 miles. See it at Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, or autoramaauto.com. Remember, we're the dealership without the outrageous hidden fees.